Back again on the channel with another speed test. This time we got Galaxy 41 against Moto G8 Power. This is a new release on the market. It's been released on 22nd of May and this been released a few months ago. Also both devices are great, coming from that low budget to mid-range zone, and today we're gonna push them together. We're gonna open 15 apps and games and we'll find out which one is faster and which one can keep them better on the background. Before doing our test, just gonna take you on this app. We're gonna go on CPU and we're just gonna read a few specifications for both devices. Both are coming with 4 GB of RAM and 64 storage. Also, we got a MediaTek HELIO P65 on 12 nanometers for Galaxy 41, and we got a Snapdragon 665 on 11 nanometers for Moto G8 Power. If we're going on the display, we're gonna find out that A41 it's coming with a Mali G52MC2 and Moto G Power with an Adreno 610. The refresh rate is 60 Hz for both devices, and we got a Super AMOLED for Galaxy 41 and an IPS display for Moto G8 Power. Okay, I'm just gonna close this app. Also, if you can see, there are no more apps on the background. On the K menu, I did put the brightness on maximum, so you can make an opinion about both devices, how bright they are. No location it's on, no NFC it's on for Galaxy A41. We don't have NFC on Moto G8 Power, and we got also a dark mode on both devices, which is on this moment. They share the same Wi-Fi connection because we're gonna do that internet speed test. Alright, just gonna show you one more time, no apps on the background, and we're just gonna start with the first one on 3, 2, 1. Wow, A41 followed by Moto, and let's move on. Calendar A41, and we got A41 again, and we got I think was Moto this time, and let's find out now. A41 was the first one. Let's move on. A41 looks like. Let's see now. A41 looks again slightly faster, and I don't know on this one. Okay, which one? A41 followed by Moto, and now we're just gonna do that speed test, and A41 was the first one. Let's see. 73, 72. Oh, it's going down a bit. It's going down. 54. Alright, 54. Alright, let's leave it like that. Anyway, this is coming with great internet connectivity, because I've done this test before and was 73 megabytes. And now depends how many devices are connected into the house. If you can see, also Moto G Power is not that great, which means that something is affecting the internet connectivity. So we got 27, which is half from Galaxy 41, and we got the same upload, which is 18. Wow, interesting. Alright, let's move on. Then we got A41, and we got Moto this time. And now you're gonna see the total score for both devices, which they are not too far away. Slightly better for Moto G Power with 170,000 points, and we got A41 with 152,000 points. Okay, let's move on the next one on 3, 2, 1. Come on. Yeah, it's working. It's just going a bit slowly. Alright, some dust. Okay, let's wait now and wait and wait and wait. See which one? Yes, we got A41, and not that far away was Moto. And let's see now the last one, Call of Duty on 3, 2, 1. Come on, Moto. Yes, okay. Moto, it's starting slowly on opening the games, and let's see at the end which one is gonna be the first one. Probably A41 start straight away and did continue to load all that resources. Let's just wait one more second, and come on. All right, let's leave it. Yeah, we got A41. Yeah, A41 was the first one, and Moto still loading. Let's wait. Yeah, finally Moto did open the game. Let's see now. Alright, so after first round, I don't know which one was it actually. You're gonna see the total score on the screen for each phone. You'll find out how many apps and games did open on this first round. Now we're just gonna go on the second one, and we're gonna find out which one keep them better on the background. And we're gonna start with the last one on 3, 2, 1. And we got A41. So A41 was the first one. Let's move on. Asphalt 9. Well, this time we had Moto G Power, and let's wait for Galaxy 41, which seems to restart this game. And let's just wait a few more seconds. Okay, finally. Let's move on the next one. And which one? Looks like Moto was. Yeah, Moto at the end. Moto again. Moto again. Okay, we got A41 on this one, followed by Moto. Let's see now. A41, Moto. A41 looks like. Okay, Moto was this time. Let's see now. Moto looks like. And I think it's A41. Quite an interesting battle now. When it's Moto, when it's A41. This time was Moto. See? Moto again. We got A41. And we got A41. Very tight this second round. Again, I don't know how many apps, games did they reopened. So after 2 rounds, I cannot say which one is the winner, but you're probably gonna see the total score right here on the screen. You're gonna see the total points also, and I hope you just make an opinion about these two devices, about how fast they are, how close they are, and the differences between these two. You've seen on that Antutu app that the score is not very high and they are quite close. Being said, thank you for watching this video. If so, give it a like, share if you want. Also subscribe for even more video speed tests and comparison, why not? And until next time, peace.